Imagine stepping onto powdery white sands with turquoise waters stretching as far as the eye can see, the soft whisper of waves in the background, and vibrant marine life just waiting to be discovered beneath the surface. Sounds like a dream, right? Today, we are bringing that dream to life as we uncover 7 of the most beautiful beaches in the world. These beaches are not just picturesque. They each offer a unique blend of stunning natural beauty, cultural charm, and unforgettable experiences. Whether you're a sunbather, a swimmer, or a thrill seeker, these shores have something magical to offer. Stick around as we reveal these stunning coastlines and get ready to add a few new destinations to your travel list. Our journey begins on the tranquil shores of Anse Source d'Argent in Seychelles, one of the world's most photographed beaches. Located on the island of La Digue, this beach is famous for its pink-hued sand, calm, clear waters, and unique granite boulders that form a surreal, otherworldly landscape. The clear, shallow water makes it perfect for snorkeling, and the vibrant coral reefs are teeming with tropical fish. The beach is surrounded by lush, green tropical foliage, adding to its idyllic charm. For those looking to escape the crowds, early mornings and late afternoons are the best times to visit. The Seychelles climate is warm year-round, but the best time to visit Anse Source d'Argent is from May to October, during the dry season when conditions are perfect for beachgoers. Next, we travel to Navagio Beach, also known as Shipwreck Beach, on Zakynthos Island in Greece. This secluded cove, only accessible by boat, is surrounded by dramatic limestone cliffs and boasts soft, white sand and sapphire blue waters. The beach gets its name from the wreck of a smuggler's ship that has been embedded in the sand since the 1980s, adding an air of mystery to the beautiful setting. The contrast between the rugged cliffs and the crystal-clear waters creates a striking view. The best way to experience Navagio Beach is by taking a boat tour, which often includes stops at nearby sea caves and lookout points for amazing photos. The ideal time to visit is from May to October, when the weather is warm and the sea is calm, perfect for swimming and exploring. We continue to Whitehaven Beach in Australia, a stunning stretch of coastline on Whitsunday Island. Famous for its pure white silica sand, which remains cool even on the hottest days, Whitehaven Beach is considered one of Australia's most beautiful beaches. The swirling patterns created by the mixing of sand and water are visible from Hill Inlet, providing a view that is both unique and mesmerizing. Whitehaven Beach is a protected national park, meaning it remains pristine and untouched by development. It is an ideal spot for relaxing, swimming, and snorkeling. The best time to visit is from May to October, during Australia's winter season, when temperatures are mild and the skies are clear. Next up is Grace Bay Beach in the Turks and Caicos Islands, a tropical paradise known for its crystal-clear waters and powdery white sand. Located on Providenciales Island, Grace Bay Beach is part of a larger marine park, ensuring that its pristine beauty is preserved. The calm, shallow waters make it perfect for families and those looking to snorkel or scuba dive in one of the most diverse marine ecosystems in the Caribbean. Grace Bay Beach enjoys warm weather throughout the year, with the ideal time to visit being between December and April, when temperatures are pleasant and there is little rainfall. We now journey to Matira Beach in Bora Bora, French Polynesia, a stunning destination often called one of the most romantic beaches in the world. Matira Beach is known for its lush greenery, soft sand, and clear turquoise waters that seem to glow in the sunlight. This beach stretches along a shallow lagoon, making it a popular spot for swimming and snorkeling. The lagoon's calm waters are perfect for spotting colorful fish and coral reefs, while the sunsets here are simply unforgettable. The best time to visit Matira Beach is from May to October, during the dry season, when you can expect warm days, clear skies, and minimal rainfall. Our 6th stop takes us to Pink Sands Beach on Harbour Island in the Bahamas. True to its name, this beach is famous for its pink sand, a result of tiny red organisms that live among the coral reefs and mix with the white sand. This unique color, paired with the blue-green water, creates a strikingly beautiful landscape. Pink Sands Beach stretches for over 3 miles, providing plenty of room to explore, relax, and take in the beauty of this one-of-a-kind destination. The best time to visit Pink Sands Beach is from December to April, when the weather is dry and sunny, making it perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and exploring the nearby reefs. Finally, we arrive at Baía do Sancho in Fernando de Noronha, Brazil. This beach is often ranked as one of the world's best due to its secluded beauty and breathtaking views. Surrounded by cliffs and accessible only by a short hike, Baía do Sancho offers crystal-clear water ideal for snorkeling and diving. Here, you can encounter diverse marine life, including sea turtles, dolphins, and vibrant fish species. Baía do Sancho is particularly beautiful during Brazil's dry season, which lasts from August to February. During these months, the weather is warm, the waters are calm, and visibility for underwater exploration is at its best. As we wrap up our journey through these stunning beaches, it is clear that each of these destinations offers a unique combination of natural beauty, tranquility, and exciting experiences. Whether it's the pink sands of the Bahamas or the clear waters of the Seychelles, these beaches are truly some of the most beautiful in the world. Have you visited any of these beaches, or are you planning a trip soon? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to The Global Yard and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our travel guides. As they say, to travel is to discover that everyone is wrong about other countries. Until next time, keep exploring, and we'll see you at the beach.